In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discounts on Shopify. Whether you're aiming to boost sales or clear out old inventory, offering discounts can be a powerful strategy. Let's dive into the steps to set this up effectively on your Shopify store. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. So open your web browser and head over to your store's homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard, which is sort of like the control center for your Shopify store. From here, we can access a plethora of tools, but today we're focusing on creating discounts. Remember, discounts are not only great for enticing new customers, but also for retaining current ones through special offers or seasonal promotions. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, there is a panel with different options, and you want to look for the section labeled Discounts. Clicking on this will take you to a page where all active and past discounts are listed. This is where you can manage what offers are currently being used on your store. If you don't see it immediately, no worries. Just scroll down the list of sections until you spot Discounts. Now let's create our new discount. Towards the upper right corner of the Discounts page, there is a button titled Create Discount. Click on that, and this is where the magic begins. By clicking this, you're telling Shopify that you're setting up a fresh discount to offer to your customers. This is a step where you can let your creativity shine in deciding what type of discount will best suit your goals. The next move is selecting your discount type. When you click on this option, a drop-down menu appears offering various types of discounts such as percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, or even a buy one, get one offer. Each type serves different purposes, so think about what would most motivate your customers. For example, percentage discounts might work well for store-wide sales, while buy one, get one free could help shift specific stock. Choose the one that aligns with your marketing strategy. Once you've decided on the type, follow the prompts to specify the details of your discount, such as the percentage off or the exact amount. You can also set conditions like minimum purchase amounts or specific product eligibility, which is a great way to tailor your promotions to meet both customer and business needs. Before wrapping up, ensure everything is reviewed and correctly set to reflect your intentions. Preview your discount details to make sure it meets the expectations and logistics of what you're aiming to accomplish. And when you're satisfied, click Save, and your discount will be active. Remember, regularly reviewing the impact of discounts through Shopify's analytics will help you refine your strategies over time. With these straightforward steps, you'll have your discounts up and running on Shopify in no time. Happy selling and enjoy the benefits that smart discounting can bring to your business.